Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Mandela Highway and we are going to give you an update on the new access ramp from Mandela Highway into Portmore. Now, Mandela Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica. It takes you out of and into the city of Kingston. And St. Catherine, where you have Portmore, is it's a very populated area. St. Catherine has 20% of the population of Jamaica in it. 20%. Now, with the city of Kingston having 1 million people, between Kingston and Portmore, there is a lot of traffic. A lot of people move between Kingston and Portmore. So, the government, under the CAPEX program, is going to build an access ramp from Mandela Highway directly into Portmore. This access ramp is going to be a dual carriageway and it's going to be 4 lanes, 1.7 kilometers long, and it's going to allow up to 3,000 cars an hour to go from Mandela Highway into Portmore. It will make a huge difference, huge, massive development that's going to take place. You will be able to get into Portmore in 40 minutes. It's going to go from Mandela Highway to Municipal Boulevard. Sorry, from Mandela Highway to George Lee Boulevard. That's where the overpass will go. And in the evenings, the traffic on Mandela Highway to get into Portmore, it can take hours. So it's good that the government is going to be doing this, and they announced that this project, the overhead bridge, is going to start this year. So we're going to go through an article that gives you more information on this project. Now, where we are is actually the turnoff to get into Portmore from Mandela Highway. So you will still have this entrance. This takes you down into the roundabout where you can go to Dyke Road or Municipal Boulevard. But with the access ramp, you're going to have another way into Portmore. And if 3,000 cars an hour can use it, it will definitely make a difference. The government has instructed the National Works Agency, NWA, to develop on a concept for more efficient access into and out of Portmore using the Mandela Highway. This will see a project being done in 2 phases and will include a 1.7 kilometer long 2-lane ramp from the Mandela Highway to Municipal Boulevard, inclusive of a new 120 meter long bridge across the Rio Cobre, new traffic signals at Dyke Road and Gregory Park Main Road Junction, replacement of the Dyke Road Municipal Boulevard roundabout with traffic signals, widening of the Dyke Road to accommodate 3 lanes between Municipal Boulevard and Gregory Park, and street lighting, road markings, and signage. Making his contribution, Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Honorable Everald Warmington, said these would be the deliverables under Phase 1 of the project. Phase 2 of the project will see the construction of an overpass of the Dyke Road, the widening of 3 kilometers of road from Municipal Boulevard, Dyke Road to Grange Lane, from 2 to 4 lanes, with a concrete median and installation of street lights, road markings, and signage. The benefits to be realized by the people, especially those who live or work in Portmore, will include a reduction in travel time from 45 to 15 minutes, an increase in the afternoon peak capacity from 1,200 vehicles per hour to 3,000 vehicles per hour, and significantly improve road conditions for people to traverse, Mr. Warmington said. He noted that the government will require some of the lands at Aki Village in order to realize this project. The cost for this project is likely to be high, but the government is committed to finding an appropriate solution for the congestion levels now being experienced by the people of Portmore, especially with the area well poised for exponential growth over the next few years, Mr. Warmington said. Alright guys, so that is the end of the update article. So the CAPEX program, it's one of the larger road projects the government has on the way. It's going to include 6 main roads to be built, to be improved, and they're going to be spending 13 billion. And this will be the most significant or important one in the project. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.